Savoring the flavors of Iranian cuisine, a culinary odyssey. Iranian cuisine, a tantalizing tapestry of flavors, aromas, and traditions, beckons food enthusiasts on a gastronomic journey through the heart of Persia. Rooted in millennia-old culinary traditions, Iranian cuisine is a harmonious fusion of regional ingredients, spices, and cooking techniques, reflecting the diverse landscapes and cultural influences that have shaped the country's history. From fragrant saffron-laden dishes to succulent kebabs and aromatic rice, Iranian cuisine is a celebration of culinary artistry that tantalizes the senses and captures the essence of Persian culture. Flavors of Persian delights. Number 1. Chelo kebab. Chelo kebab, a cornerstone of Iranian cuisine, artfully grills marinated meat to perfection, infusing it with smoky allure. Complemented by saffron-infused rice akin to liquid gold, it's a symphony of succulence. Seasoned meat dances on the palate while fragrant rice, kissed by saffron, enchants. Beyond sustenance, chelo kebab embodies Iranian hospitality, uniting through shared meals. This sensory journey invites savoring, honoring centuries of culinary evolution. As forks intertwine with kebabs and rice, Persian culture unfurls, etching memories of taste, aroma, and tradition in every bite. Number 2. Gourmet sabzi. Gourmet sabzi is an Iranian culinary masterpiece, weaving vibrant herbs, hearty beans, and tender meat into a harmonious medley of flavors and textures. Infused with earthy freshness from parsley, coriander, and fenugreek, the slow-cooked meat offers a melt-in-your-mouth tenderness. Beyond nourishment, this aromatic stew embodies Persian culinary artistry, bridging tradition and taste. A cultural journey, gourmet sabzi invites diners to savor its depth, connecting with Persian gastronomy's historical roots. With each spoonful, culinary heritage and delight unite, leaving an indelible mark on senses and soul. Number 3. Fesenjan. Fesenjan, an exquisite Iranian creation, harmonizes the richness of walnuts and the tanginess of pomegranate molasses to create a sumptuous symphony of flavors. Often featuring tender chicken or duck, this luscious stew encapsulates the essence of Persian cuisine. The nutty depth of walnuts and the sweet tart allure of pomegranate molasses meld together, enveloping the meat in a velvety embrace that tantalizes the taste buds. Fesenjan is not just a dish. It's a sensory journey that offers a glimpse into the intricate interplay of ingredients that has been perfected over generations. Number 4. Tachin. Tachin, a delectable Iranian delight, unveils layers of flavor in a saffron-kissed rice cake. Tender meat, creamy yogurt, and occasionally vegetables interlace within this culinary masterpiece. As each forkful reveals a harmonious blend, the saffron-infused rice cake provides a canvas for a symphony of textures and tastes. Tachin exemplifies the art of balance, where savory and fragrant components meld to create a dish that is both visually stunning and gastronomically enchanting. Number 5. Dolma. Dolma, a cherished Iranian delicacy, showcases grape leaves or vegetables as edible vessels, cradling a delightful mixture of rice, aromatic herbs, and finely minced meat. This culinary artistry weaves flavors and textures as the tender leaves or vegetables enrobe the savory filling. With each bite, the marriage of rice, herbs, and meat offers a symphony of tastes that captures the essence of Persian gastronomy. Dolma stands as a testament to the creativity and ingenuity that have shaped Iranian cuisine, inviting palates to savor the harmonious blend of ingredients that define this timeless dish. Number 6. Koresh. Badamjan. Koresh badamjan, a culinary gem from Iran, melds the earthy allure of eggplant with a savory symphony of tomatoes, meat, and dried lime. This stew's tender textures and rich flavors dance on the palate, encapsulating the essence of Persian cuisine. As the eggplant absorbs the aromatic mingling of ingredients, Koresh badamjan becomes a tantalizing tapestry of taste that reflects the country's diverse culinary heritage. With each spoonful, diners embark on a journey through Iran's gastronomic history, savoring the depth and complexity that define this beloved dish. Number 7. Ash. Reshta. Ash reshta, a nourishing Iranian delight, harmonizes beans, lentils, herbs, and noodles into a comforting symphony of flavors. This hearty soup, brimming with wholesome ingredients, offers a glimpse into the heart of Persian cuisine. The interplay of textures and the medley of earthy and herbaceous notes create a sensory experience that warms both body and soul. Typically adorned with vibrant garnishes, ash reshteh embodies the essence of Iranian comfort food, inviting a journey into the culinary traditions that have sustained generations with every soul-soothing spoonful. Number 8. Zareshk Polo. Zareshk Polo, a jewel of Iranian cuisine, weaves saffron-kissed rice with tangy barberries, creating a symphony of sweet and savory. Often paired with succulent chicken, this aromatic dish embodies the art of balance. The golden rice, infused with saffron's allure, contrasts elegantly with the vibrant red barberries. Zareshk Polo is a sensory delight that harmonizes flavors and colors, exemplifying the intricate fusion of taste and aesthetics in Persian cooking. With each forkful, diners embark on a delectable journey, savoring the interplay of textures and the marriage of ingredients that define this beloved culinary creation. Number 9. Mirza Ghasemi. Mirza Ghasemi, a cherished Iranian classic, celebrates the smoky essence of eggplant intertwined with vibrant tomatoes. This dish, often served as a dip with bread, offers a symphony of flavors that dance on the palate. The charred eggplant's depth harmonizes with the tanginess of tomatoes, creating a sensory delight. Mirza Ghasemi captures the essence of Persian cuisine, inviting diners to relish the interplay of textures and the lingering aromas that encapsulate the heart of this culinary tradition. With each dip and bite, this dish becomes a gateway to the rich tapestry of flavors that define Iranian gastronomy. Number 10. Baghali Polo. Baghali Polo, a gem of Iranian cuisine, weaves fragrant rice with dill and tender fava beans. This aromatic symphony captures the essence of Persian flavors. Often accompanied by succulent lamb or chicken, the dish creates a harmonious blend of taste and textures. The rice's fragrance mingles with the herbaceous dill, while the fava beans provide a delightful pop of freshness. Baghali Polo exemplifies the art of balance, inviting diners to savor the interplay of ingredients that define this beloved culinary tradition. With each forkful, one embarks on a journey through Iran's gastronomic heritage, relishing the nuanced nuances that make this dish a cherished delight. Number 11. Kashk-e-badamjan. Kashk-e-badamjan, a luscious Iranian creation, marries velvety eggplant with tangy whey in a creamy dip. Adored with flatbread, this savory delight offers a symphony of flavors. The smoky eggplant harmonizes with the rich tang of whey, creating a luxurious texture that entices the palate. Kashk-e-badamjan captures the essence of Persian cuisine, inviting a sensory experience that celebrates the interplay of tastes. With each dip and bite, diners embark on a delectable journey, savoring the fusion of ingredients that define this timeless culinary treasure. Number 12. Juje Kebab. Juje Kebab, a beloved Iranian street food, presents succulent marinated chicken skewers grilled to perfection. These flavorful bites encapsulate the essence of Persian cuisine. The tender chicken, infused with aromatic marinade, dances on the taste buds. Juje Kebab embodies the art of simplicity, inviting a delectable experience that celebrates the marriage of flavors. With each bite, diners embark on a culinary journey, savoring the delicious interplay of textures and the savory delight that defines this cherished street food tradition. Number 13. Shirin Polo. Shirin Polo, a delightful Iranian creation, weaves vibrant colors and flavors into a sweet rice symphony. Dried fruits, nuts, and saffron infuse the dish with an exquisite aroma and visual allure. This fragrant medley captures the essence of Persian cuisine, offering a harmonious blend of textures and tastes. Each forkful reveals a tapestry of colors and a burst of sweetness, inviting diners to savor the interplay of ingredients that define this cherished culinary treasure. With every bite, one embarks on a sensory journey, indulging in the rich heritage of flavors that make Shirin Polo a beloved delight. Number 14. Saffron Ice Cream. Saffron ice cream, an enchanting Iranian treat, marries the delicate notes of saffron and rosewater in a creamy embrace. This unique frozen delight captures the essence of Persian flavors. The rich creaminess melds with the exotic saffron, while the subtle floral hint of rosewater adds a touch of elegance. Saffron ice cream offers a sensory experience that tantalizes taste buds, inviting a journey into the heart of Iranian gastronomy. With each spoonful, one indulges in a fusion of textures and tastes, relishing the enchanting blend of ingredients that define this captivating frozen treasure. Number 15. Baklava. Baklava, also known as baklava, is a luscious confection that weaves layers of delicate phyllo dough, crunchy nuts, and a drizzling of sweet syrup. This iconic treat encapsulates the essence of indulgence and craftsmanship in Iranian cuisine. The crisp layers envelop the nutty richness, creating a harmonious texture that dances on the palate. Baklava's symphony of flavors and its signature honeyed glaze offer a delectable experience that celebrates the art of dessert making. With every bite, one embarks on a journey through layers of sweetness, savoring the intricate blend of ingredients that define this beloved dessert classic. Number 16. Zulbia and Bamia. Zulbia and Bamia, beloved Iranian pastries, epitomize festive indulgence with their deep-fried allure and syrupy embrace. These delectable treats are cherished delights during celebrations. Zulbia's intricate, crispy threads and Bamia's doughy pillows soak in the sweetness of syrup, creating a mouth-watering contrast of textures. These desserts, often enjoyed during joyous occasions, encapsulate the essence of Persian culinary celebrations. With each bite, one savors the harmonious fusion of flavors and the nostalgic essence that defines zulbia and bamia as cherished symbols of festive delight in Iranian culture. Number 17. Halva. Halva, a delectable Iranian confection, weaves ground nuts or seeds into a dense, sweet masterpiece often adorned with the golden allure of saffron. This beloved treat captures the essence of indulgence in Persian cuisine. The nutty richness is complemented by saffron's delicate touch, creating a symphony of flavors and textures. Halva's irresistible allure lies in its simplicity, inviting a sensory journey with each bite. As the confection dissolves on the palate, one relishes the harmonious blend of ingredients, savoring the timeless pleasure that defines this cherished dessert tradition in Iran. Number 18. Sabzi Khordan. Sabzi Khordan, an Iranian culinary tradition, presents a vibrant platter of fresh herbs, crisp radishes, and crumbled feta cheese. This verdant ensemble accompanies meals, celebrating the essence of simplicity in Persian cuisine. The aromatic herbs, paired with the tangy cheese and refreshing radishes, create a symphony of flavors and textures. Sabzi Khordan invites a sensory experience that elevates dining, as each element complements and enhances the others. With each bite, diners relish the harmonious blend, appreciating the wholesome and invigorating accompaniment that defines this cherished culinary custom, adding a touch of freshness to every meal. Number 19. Ashidu. Ashidu, a revitalizing Iranian delight, unveils a yogurt and herb soup that offers cool respite during hot weather. This refreshing concoction captures the essence of invigoration in Persian cuisine. The tangy yogurt base harmonizes with a medley of aromatic herbs, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on the palate. Ashidu embodies the art of balance, delivering both refreshment and nourishment. With every spoonful, diners embark on a journey of revitalization, savoring the interplay of ingredients that define this cherished culinary treasure, providing a welcome relief during sweltering days. Number 20. Ditsi, a robust Iranian stew, melds tender lamb, beans, and tomatoes into a hearty symphony. Served with flatbread, this savory dish encapsulates the essence of comfort in Persian cuisine. The slow-cooked ingredients unite, creating a rich and flavorful broth that marries seamlessly with the tender lamb and beans. Ditsi embodies the art of warmth and sustenance, inviting diners to savor the nourishing flavors and textures. With each spoonful, one delves into a culinary journey, relishing the wholesome blend of ingredients that define this cherished stew, providing both a satisfying meal and a taste of Iranian culinary heritage. Conclusion: a culinary voyage through Persia. Iranian cuisine is a journey through time, culture, and flavor that encapsulates the essence of a nation. It is a feast for the senses, where each bite narrates a story of history, tradition, and creativity. From the intricate flavors of aromatic stews to the tender embrace of saffron-infused rice, every dish embodies the art of Persian culinary craftsmanship. Iranian cuisine invites us to savor the tastes of a civilization that has flourished for millennia, fostering connections between generations and cultures through the universal language of food.